A newspaper recently said 7% of office workers are baffled by Microsoft Office. I teach you how to do or use Microsoft Office or online office. So, what is Microsoft Office or Office Online? Well, basically it's computer programs for the office or for the home. If you need to write any pamphlets or letters or posters, Word Online, spreadsheets, calculations, charts, Excel Online, presentations, displays, PowerPoint Online, calendar for dates, times, appointments, calendar online. If you want to talk to friends overseas or business people overseas, Skype Online, and a whole range of other programs designed to make office work easier. Let's start with looking at Microsoft Word. Here's a document. What's in it? Well, words. Microsoft Word deals with words. How you set the word up, the margins, the line spaces, the size of the text. All of this is dealt with by Microsoft Word or Word Online. Any kind of writing you need to do, you can do using this program. It gives you a blank sheet, and of course, using your keyboard, you type in words. But it's not just words that make it an important program, because there are fonts, bold, italic, underline, there are paragraphs. You need to insert things, you might even need to draw things, design things, lay out things, references. All of these are found in drop-down menus. There are so many things in drop-down menus. You need to use your keyboard to input text. Once you've input it, you can manipulate it using these various menus. You can even insert pictures or videos. We've moved on to another program, Microsoft Excel or Excel Online. Online means that it stores the programs online. You don't need to store anything on your computer. Microsoft will worry about that, the storage. Now, any kind of calculation you need can be done in Excel. Here I've written down some calculations. There's the date, the day, the time. Here are the various numbers, the difference between one day and another day. Alright. The daily total of certain of these. All of these things are dealt with in Excel. Once again, there are drop-down menus. Here's the first one, and it deals with the font, how the font is, how the text is put onto the screen, whether it's centered or it's aligned right or aligned left, whether you merge the text, whether you center it across a number of cells, and then there are calculations to do. All of these you're helped with in these drop-down menus. Using your numbers on your keyboard or your number pad, you can input your figures. You can even take some of your figures, I've taken hinges here, and produce a chart. When I say produce it, this one took me 4 seconds. I didn't do anything other than to suggest that I wanted these figures in a chart, and Excel created the chart. You see, if you're using a program like this, then it's saving hours of work and giving you good figures. This is only one of hundreds of different charts that it can produce. Now, Microsoft PowerPoint, or PowerPoint Online. What does PowerPoint do? It helps you to make individual slides which you need to make a presentation. You create the slides one by one. You draw them, or you make them, or you copy them. Here are the drop-down menus once again. This one, Home. This one, Insert. This one, Draw. This one at the moment is Animation, meaning how the slide comes onto the screen. Alright, so or how the words come onto the screen. When I press this with my mouse now, you'll see transitions, how the slides move across. Alright, we've moved on now from PowerPoint, a slide presentation. Here's another slide, because I did this presentation in PowerPoint. This is calendar. As you see in front of you, here's a calendar. This is helping you to work out your daily life. Put all your appointments into an online calendar and add, if you wish, public things too. UK holidays, birthday calendar, adding all the birthdays for your family, other calendars, family calendar. Alright, so you're able to put in things. When you go to calendar, it'll show what your appointments are on particular days. If you may not be using it, then your helper may be using it. Alright? So, Office Online. Office Online is made up, as we've seen, by a number of different programs. Word for letters, Excel for spreadsheet and calculations, PowerPoint for presentations and displays, calendar for dates, Skype for important communications around the world, using your computer rather than the telephone. To learn these programs properly, you need to go to classes or use YouTube teachers or buy Office Online and teach yourself by going to the individual programs. If you get stuck, then you can go online to YouTube and ask questions there. Now, 7% minus 1 of office workers are baffled.